Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do easy last minute DIY gift, an acrylic painting for Father's Day. And here are items which I used for this project. Raw umber, lamp black, phthalo blue and titanium white are the colors, paintbrush, pencil, Neelex wipes and of course the canvas. The idea I have is, I'm planning to do the night sky with the moon, silhouette of dad and son with some branches and flowers. Well, my friends, not everyone are good at drawing, and that too the silhouettes. Still, you can do this painting. Trust me, here is the trick I used. Take a layer of white to trace the silhouette from your iPad or phone and use that in your painting. Simple and easy. I have already traced a circle to mark the position of the moon, which looks okay to me. Now I'm going to paint that circle with titanium white. Once that is done, here I'm adding phthalo blue to the same white and also a hint of lamp black, and I will start to cover the outer surface of the moon. As you go away from the moon, you need to make the color darker and darker. For that, I'm adding more and more lamp black to the existing color. To make the branches, here I have taken raw umber and I have mixed it with the lamp black to make it a little darker shade. And now we need to draw the branches and twigs the way we like it. Once the branches and twigs are done, I'm going to use the Q-tips to do the flowers. We need to dip the Q-tips in the titanium white and then put a dot on the branches, which actually gives an illusion of a flower. We need to dry the painting before we do the next step. Once the painting is dry, we are going to place the silhouette which we had already traced, and I'm taking a marker here and I'm going to trace it again so it will give an indentation on the canvas. Later I'm going to paint that with the lamp black, which you can see now. The painting is almost done by now, and the next step is really optional. To make it special, because this is for the Father's Day, I'm just adding a line, "I love Dad." Thank you for watching this video. Happy Father's Day!